In this video, I will reveal how artificial intelligence is radically changing the business landscape. Imagine this, a world where machines can think, learn, and make decisions just like human beings. It's no longer science fiction. We are living in an era where artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of the game for businesses all over the world, and I am here to help you understand how to exploit it to the fullest. The best thing for those beginning from scratch is to trade their time for cash, specifically by freelancing. Earning as a consultant within the field of AI offers a world of opportunities. Specialize in machine learning ventures, making cleverly chatbots, or analyzing progressed information. Construct an amazing portfolio together with your past ventures and advance yourself on social media and intrigued bunches. Offer courses or discussions to solidify your notoriety and make extra sources of salary. Gotten to be heroes of the fake insights period, leveraging your inventiveness and abilities. Specialization is the key to exceeding expectations within the world of AI. Select a field of intrigue, such as creating machine learning models, making progressed chatbots, or analyzing information with inventive calculations. Extend your abilities in that field, take part in courses and workshops, and put your information into hone with individual ventures. This will make you a master in a particular range, expanding your work openings and setting you separated as AI professionals. Don't be perplexed to require on complex challenges, as each extend will grant you the opportunity to develop and illustrate your esteem within the interesting world of AI. An eye-catching portfolio is the winning card to pull in clients and work openings within the field of AI. Display your past ventures in a clear and proficient way, highlighting your unmistakable abilities and the inventive arrangements given to clients. Include nitty-gritty portrayals of each extend, the accomplished comes about, and the positive criticism gotten. Utilize stages like GitHub to share your source code and illustrate your mastery. Do not falter to showcase your creativity and ingenuity in your projects. An noteworthy portfolio will grant you the validity required to pick up clients' belief and guarantee an effective future as AI specialists. Deliberately utilizing social media is significant to be taken note within the AI community. Take a dynamic portion in intrigued bunches and gatherings, sharing your work, proposing arrangements, and illustrating your know-how. Construct a proficient awareness on major social media stages, such as LinkedIn and Twitter, by sharing articles, instructional exercises, and AI-related overhauls. Lock in with other experts, sharing your encounters and giving esteem. This visibility will permit you to form a profitable organize of contacts and draw in unused clients and energizing collaborations. Keep in mind, being active and building true connections will make a distinction within the competitive world of manufactured insights. After picking up involvement within the AI industry, consider sharing your information through online courses or personalized counseling. Making courses on stages like Udemy or Teachable will permit you to reach a wide group of onlookers and produce inactive pay sources. On the other hand, counseling will donate you the opportunity to work one-on-one with companies or people, giving custom-made arrangements to their particular counterfeit intelligence-related problems. Use your mastery to assist others and, within the handle, set your notoriety as industry specialists, opening modern entryways to proficient victory. Another way for those beginning from scratch to gain cash is by offering advanced items, much appreciated to Etsy. You'll express your inventiveness and ability in AI by making interesting and inventive computerized items to offer on Etsy. From custom generative design to CV layouts and imaginative introductions, use fake insights to offer imaginative and high-quality arrangements. You'll reach a wide base of plan and innovation devotees as your items, once set up, will create persistent income. AI will allow you to stand out on Etsy, capturing the consideration of buyers searching for unique and cutting-edge advanced items. Seize this opportunity to turn your energy for AI into a beneficial wonder on one of the foremost prevalent stages for offering advanced items. With AI, you'll be able to bring to life special and astonishing custom illustrations. Utilize generative calculations to make personalized plans, outlines, and plan designs that will flabbergast and charm your gathering of people. Tackle the flexibility of manufactured insights to create a wide extent of alternatives, adjusting to your client's needs. Your generative illustrations will be exceptional advanced works of craftsmanship, prepared to be downloaded and utilized in inventive ventures. Grasp this captivating world of AI and offer people a outwardly one-of-a-kind and locks-in encounter, whereas winning together with your inventiveness and the control of manufactured insights. Pick up an exceptional competitive advantage by making imaginative CV and introduction formats with AI. Offer ready-to-use, proficient, and extraordinarily planned arrangements idealized for those looking to stand out within the work market. With artificial insights, you'll be able to create unique and personalized formats, sparing time and exertion for your clients. These formats will have a critical effect, making a difference clients are potential managers or collaborators. Exhibit your imagination and plan skill with cutting-edge computerized items, making a profitable and energizing online commerce. With AI, you'll make tailor-made robotization instruments for little businesses, simplifying processes and expanding operational productivity. You'll create shrewdly chatbots to move forward client back or information investigation frameworks for making more educated choices. By advertising cutting-edge arrangements, you'll offer assistants little businesses spare time and assets, permitting them to center exercises. Utilize AI to construct irreplaceable apparatuses that will direct businesses towards victory, while also making a profitable opportunity for yourselves as trendsetters within the field of fake insights. Change the way businesses do showcasing with AI. Offer prescient showcasing and information investigation administrations to assist Etsy vendors reach their target group of onlookers more successfully. Utilize counterfeit insights to analyze client information, recognize patterns and behavior designs, and make focused on promoting procedures. Your administrations will give a competitive edge to businesses, expanding their deals and producing long-term esteem. With prescient marketing and information examination, you'll revolutionize the victory of businesses and, at the same time, gain as specialists in progressed promoting within the period of fake insights. On the off chance that you're imaginative, Etsy offers you the opportunity to sell interesting items made with the assistance of fake insights. So, put your abilities into hone and begin winning online with the help of AI. In case you delighted in the video, if it's not too much trouble, take off a like and subscribe to the channel for more unimaginable AI openings and tips. See you within the following video.